Snapchat Bitmoji update. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you Snapchat Bitmoji back to the old one version. For that, you have to follow these steps. So if you face this problem, you have to go for your Snapchat and go for your Bitmoji option. Here you can see the Bitmoji update. You have to go back and you have to go and open up your Google Chrome here, and under your search bar you have to search for the aditya again here. Once you have searched for the adjective again, you have to go and click on that. Here you can see that Snapchat media upload problem, fixed upload showing on Snapchat here. And here also you can see you have to go for the source icon here. Under your source icon, you have to go. So on the search bar, you have to search for the Snapchat Bitmoji update and go for the search bar. And here you can see that Snapchat Bitmoji update, how to change your Bitmoji back to old version. You have to go back and go for the read more option here. And again, you have to scroll down here. And here you can see that you have to follow this step to change back to your old version. You have to tab on the Snapchat older version. You can see the download link here. You have to install the older version of your Snap here. After installing, you have to log into your Snap account and you will get back to your Bitmoji before this update. You have to go for the download link and you have to click on the download APK and you can easily fix your Bitmoji back to your old one version. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.